How to Be is back, and we've got crazy, wacky math puzzles for you to solve. You might not like math, but we promise you, these are actually fun ones. Better put your game face on because these can get pretty tricky. Ready? Let's get it on and let's start solving. Math problem number 1. How can you add 8 eighths to get the number 1000? Only use addition. Countdown starts now. You can do this. This is pretty easy if you don't overanalyze. The answer is 888 plus 88 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 equals 1000. Did you get that? Whoa, we got a mathematician here. Now, time for math problem number 2. In this image, what is the number of the parking space covered by the car? Goodness, this is tricky. Let's see if you get this. The answer is 87. Believe it or not, this math question actually requires no math whatsoever. If you flip the image upside down, you'll see that what you're dealing with is a simple number sequence. Wow, I am impressed. That seriously tricked me. Let's see if you get this next one. Math problem number 3. What is 9 minus 3 divided by 1/3 plus 1 equals? This problem might look easy, but a surprising number of adults are unable to solve it correctly. Let's see if you get this right. The answer is 1. Start by solving the division part of the equation. In order to do that, in case you forgot, you have to flip the fraction and switch from division to multiplication, thus getting 3 times 3 equals 9. Now, you have 9 minus 9 plus 1. And from there, you can simply work from left to right and get your final answer, which is 1. Did you get that? Amazing! Ready for the 4th one? Let's go! Math problem number 4. There is a patch of lily pads on a lake. Every day, the patch doubles in size. If it takes 48 days for the patch to cover the entire lake, how long would it take for the patch to cover half of the lake? Alright, start thinking of lily pads and start counting, if you can. The answer is 47 days. Most people automatically assume that half of the lake will be covered in half the time. But this assumption is wrong. Since the patch of pads doubles in size every day, the lake will be half covered just one day before it was covered completely. Alright, time for the last one. Math problem number 5. Here's a more concrete math problem. How many feet are there in a mile? Come on, this is the last one. You can do it. The answer is 5,280. We hope you didn't get all dizzy. But seriously, isn't it fun and invigorating to answer these math problems? Let us know in the comments which one was your favorite and if you got all the answers right. Make sure to show us some love by liking and subscribing to How to Be. Hit the bell to get more videos just like this. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video of How to Be.